how to pair new devices over Wi-Fi in Android Studio. Okay, so on your Android phone, you want to swipe down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, we scroll down and tap on About Phone. Then we go down and tap on Software Information. From here, tap on Build Numbers 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will enable developer options in here. So we tap on that. Then we scroll down and then you turn on USB debugging. Now, if it is blocked by auto blocker, we need to turn off auto blocker. Okay, so here we can turn on USB debugging. Now the other option is the wireless debugging right here. You want to turn this one on as well, because once you turn that on, that will allow us to connect to your phone wirelessly. Okay, now in Android, we're going to click on the drop down at the top here in Android Studio. Click on that drop down and then choose pair devices using Wi-Fi. Here it will show the QR code. So on the phone, what you want to do is tap on wireless debugging, tap on the left hand side, and then we choose pair with device QR code. And now we're going to scan it. Okay, so now it's connecting, and here shows connected. And that's it. So we can then click on the close button. After that, you can then debug your app on your device. First, we need to select it from here as well, and then we can debug on your device. Okay, so here you can see I have successfully bring it to the phone, so I can debug it on the device itself. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.